So it was very difficult because coming from a foreign land, then working in Australia, getting aware about the rules and regulations and guidelines here, it was a tough journey, especially for somebody who has not worked in Australia. Of course, the pressure at the workplace is very different. We cannot sometimes we have our bad days. Most of the interns would have most of the bad days, but yes, you have the pressure of clearing the exam and then getting your license at the end. It was a tough journey, but I guess when I joined Elite Expertise, the regular lectures were the ones that kept me going. Every time I would like Sunday lectures, preparing for them, then revising it again and again, going through the recordings. I think that maintained a balance a lot. So that was how I was preparing. So, but it is a very difficult journey. We cannot deny it.
Exactly, yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to Elite Expertise, and today we received our intern pharmacist oral exam results, that is Australian intern pharmacist oral exam results, and this is the final step for intern pharmacists to become a fully licensed pharmacist. And I'm so glad that today I have Bhavana with us. So Bhavana is one of our students. She recently took her intern oral examination, and she has successfully cleared her oral examination. Hi Bhavana, how are you? And first of all, congratulations.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much. And it won't have been possible without your efforts, of course. Thank you so much for the best wishes. But yes,
I'm so glad that you have cleared your examination, and now you are about to become a pharmacist, like a fully licensed pharmacist, and practice as a pharmacist in Australia. So Bhavana, like, how was your journey, like as an intern pharmacist? Because like every candidate, they face a lot of issues when they were doing the internship. They struggle a lot, and even when I was as an intern, even I faced the same thing. Like, we have to do the work 5 days per week, and at the same time we also need to prepare for the examinations. Then how did you manage everything?
so it was very difficult because coming from a foreign land, then working in Australia, getting aware about the rules and regulations and guidelines here, it was a tough journey, especially for somebody who has not worked in Australia. Of course, the pressure at the workplace is very different. We cannot sometimes we have our bad days. Most of the interns would have most of the bad days, but yes, you have the pressure of clearing the exam and then getting your license at the end. It was a tough journey, but I guess when I joined Elite Expertise, the regular lectures were the ones that kept me going. Every time I would like Sunday lectures, preparing for them, then revising it again and again, going through the recordings. I think that maintained a balance a lot. So that was how I was preparing. So, but it is a very difficult journey. We cannot deny it.
Exactly, yeah. I know that, like, how it will be, and but because we have to focus on studies and at the same time on the job and so on. And Bhavana, may I know from which state are you from? India?
Delhi, basically. I'm
From Delhi. Okay. And in which university have you graduated?
I did my bachelor's from Amity, then
Amity. Okay.
yeah, and then Jamia Hamdard.
From Jam, then masters. Oh,
Master.
yeah, that's good to know. And how did you come to know about Elite Expertise?
Elite, because I did my internship in Western Australia and then I got married here and moved to Victoria. I was searching online classes. Like,
Yeah.
I wanted to go through a professional route only. I did not want to like do it all by myself because I thought that is how I'm gonna like learn more about the PBS guidelines and everything. So I went, Google was something that I used and Elite came up at the very top. And I'm glad that I chose Elite Expertise because you guys have helped me a lot. It's not just that it's not about clearing the exam all of its own. It's also about knowing the things. So whenever we would have doubts, I have seen you and ma'am prompting like answers very quickly and giving us the answers right away. So that is how I'm glad like I chose Elite Expertise. Google was something that I used.
Okay, that's good to know about it. And would you like to share like any few things for the upcoming interns
Oh yes.
who are preparing for the examinations?
Yeah, one personal tip if you're not sure and you don't know the answer, even if you have like slightest of this doubt that I might not be sure, do not speak in the exam. That would be my tip, because once you say it, the examiners will drill you out. If you are not sure and you are saying something wrong, they're gonna drill out. And make sure, if you have got 10 minutes, you prepare yourself for 10 minutes and you speak. Don't let the examiner speak, because what questions they have, they are very difficult. And I'm sure like we have cleared our examination, but we are not up to the point wherein we can answer everything. So don't like get into that trap. Don't give them time to speak.
Time.
That is the only advice.
Yeah, that's what like in every class I used to tell. So don't give the time for the examiners. Like if it is 10 minutes for primary healthcare, then utilize the whole 10 minutes. Okay. So give much time for them, because if the candidates, if they finish it by 6 minutes or 7 minutes, then the examiner will have like enough time. They can keep on asking many questions. Okay, even if it is not related to the topic, sometimes they keep on asking the other things as well. That happened to me when I gave my exam, my oral examination. That happened to me. That's the thing that I keep on telling for everyone.
Yeah. So it's very dangerous when they start asking questions.
Exactly.
Things can, like, you are going in a good graph and suddenly things can turn against you.
Against,
If it's them
yes,
speak.
exactly. Yeah, exactly. So it happens, and it is quite common with all the candidates, those who are giving the examination. Okay, Bhavna. Yeah. One final thing about Elite Expertise.
Final thing, so like the best thing is, whatever doubts I would have in professional life also, I have seen people putting the questions and your answers and prompt like answers to with the references. I'm not saying it is something big, it is something in the air, but I would say that with the references you would give the answer. I think nobody does that. Nobody. I have been exposed to one of the coaching centers wherein I tried one of the classes, but I have never seen such dedication. Thanks to you and Harika ma'am, how you guys take the classes from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Like, it is commendable, because such dedicated teachers, only when you have, then only you can succeed. I've seen people not helping here. Like in Australia, it is very difficult for teacher, like forget teachers, preceptors also.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
And I think when you have prepared everything, you have prepared all the written material, it is just for us to learn. We have everything by your platform, and thanks to you guys, you have given us everything. It's just that we have to practice, practice, and practice. I think this is the best for somebody who's like an international, who's coming from a foreign land. This is the best platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. And see you soon as a fully registered pharmacist. So now everything is done. Just some documentation work will be there with APRA. So it won't take much longer time. And see you soon as a fully licensed pharmacist. Okay. And thank you so much for joining with me in this interview. Thank you.